Good morning all, this is Nikum and welcome to important session for your Airport Authority of India Recruitment 2020. So basically, first we will see the overview of your exam pattern and syllabus. Okay, what are the things you have to complete and whether you know them from your graduation or not, right? So for AI Junior Executive, that is your ATC, Air Traffic Control, Airport Operation and Technical. These are the three posts as you are already unaware of. Okay, so we will discuss the syllabus and pattern for them. Then on your demand, I am just presenting you the AI 2018 cutoff. Okay, although it is not necessary or important, but still on your demand, I am giving you. Okay, so now in detail we will see. Now let's start our video. So first we will discuss the cutoff for 2018. Okay, so for general it was 87, for OBC it was your 83, for SC it was 78, and for ST it was 75. Okay, now if you see this cutoff, then you may think that very high cutoff, right? But in 2020 it will be more higher than this, that is for sure. That is for sure. Okay, but still I will tell you that don't focus on this cutoff word right now, because important thing is here your preparation, your conceptual building, and your ability to solve numericals, right? So on those specific things we have to focus. So don't just focus on cutoff and all these things, because these are irrelevant things, because cutoff depend on many factors, that is number of candidates appear, the question paper level. Okay, all those things are there. So that's why don't focus on this, just focus on your preparation. Now one by one we will see the exam pattern and exam syllabus for this. So see, this is just I am giving you overview. Okay, now in the next strategy video, the subject wise detail thing we will discuss, that what are the topics, what are the important topics, what are the marks, what are the level. Okay, all these things we will discuss there. They just overview for you about your exam pattern, what will be your exam like that. So for 120, for 120 questions you will have 2 hours. Okay, first we will discuss for air traffic controller, and in this 120 you have 60 non-tech and 60 physics and mathematics. Okay, so 60 in 60 non-tech, as you can see. For English 20 marks, general intelligence reasoning 15, apti 15, and GK and awareness 10 marks. Okay, and the next 60 marks comprises of your physics and mathematics syllabus. Detailed physics and mathematics syllabus I will give, okay, shortly, don't worry about that. So the important thing is that you are only getting 2 hours for 120 questions, right? So your speed should be very good, and this we will improve, or we will develop, or we will practice. Okay, so don't worry about that. So your speed is necessary, and you should cover all the things, right? Because see, you can see there is miss little marks are allocated, that is for English 20. Okay, there is not much difference in the allocation of marks, as you can see here. For reasoning and apti 50-50. So because of this, every topic or subject is very important for you to preparation. Okay, and to excel, because you know this is your direct selection, there is no interview and all this. Okay, so direct selection is there, so that's why it is very important for you to cover 100% syllabus, or to try to cover 100% syllabus. Okay, just keep this in mind. And the most important thing is that there is no negative marking, so obviously you will attempt 120 out of 120 questions, that is for sure, right? So there is no tension in that. So the 30% stress because of negative marking, okay, student face, but this 30% stress now is not there. Okay, so just you have to focus on your preparation now, and obviously I am there to guide you, so don't worry about that. All the things you will get, just you have to be regular, you have to be focused, and that's it, right? So this was about your air traffic controller. Now we will see for airport operation. So for airport operation, now see, you guys can apply. Okay, those who apply for ATC can apply to airport operation also, right? And the same syllabus of non-tech, that is your 60 marks, you have to do for both. Okay, that syllabus is same for both, that is airport traffic controller and airport operation. So there are no need to worry about that. The difference is here, okay, and here. So see, this is the topics you have to additionally cover for airport operation post. Okay, so because out of this 50%, the 20% will be these questions for sure. Okay, so this thing you have to do. Second thing, that here in part B you have physics mathematics, okay, that is same as airport traffic controller. So whatever I am giving there, okay, you can refer for here also. So for ATC and AO, I can say the 80% syllabus is same. Okay, 80% syllabus same, just this 20% and this 20%, this 20% is different. So here you have to do general principle of business management, okay, 20%. So this is the only difference between airport operation and airport traffic controller. All the things, that is the eligibility for both the posts, I already uploaded in the FAQ video. Okay, that is video number, that was video number 2. So you can check the master playlist and you can check the videos there. Okay. Now the last post, that is your technical. So whatever we are doing in ATC, in AO, same thing you have here, that is in part A. Okay, so no need that. But the difference is that you only have less weightage as compared to both the posts. You have less weightage, 30% only. There is a 50% weightage for both. Okay, but the important thing is that, as you know, for technical only mechanical and automobile branch is there. Okay, so you have to study the questions from your technical syllabus of engineering. Okay, so whatever the syllabus is there for engineering, you have to study, and obviously they mention all the things. Okay, now the topic list is very big, that's why I didn't keep here. So in the our telegram group, I uploaded this document, then you can refer. Okay, so all the things are there, just you have to do that. Okay, they mention all the subject, all the things, that thermodynamics, your heat transfer, all these things are there, just you have to do that. Okay, in very much detail, because you know that 70 questions, you can say 80 mark, 90 questions you will get here. Okay, so that's why very important. So yes guys, so this was the detailed overview for your AI recruitment 2020. Form will start on 15 December, as you already know. Okay, now you have to just join the telegram group, which is our focused and dedicated group for AI preparation, and all the things we will get. Now the next video is your physics. We will discuss the detailed syllabus, what are the important topics, the levels, and all these things for physics subject. Okay, now if you think if I miss something, okay, and if you want anything else, then you have to comment down below. Just subscribe to the channel, and you have to follow on Instagram to, if you want career related guidance, one-to-one guidance interaction, I will there. Okay, so just DM there me, I will definitely reply to you, and comment down below if you have any query regarding this exam pattern and exam syllabus. Okay, so just be prepared now, because journey will be little difficult, little easy, but we will do. All the best.